Get ready for an exciting journey as we dive into something that's turning heads in the car world. Welcome to the special episode where we uncover something super cool that might just solve a big problem with electric cars. Our focus today is Caterham, the folks who make those awesome cars that are really light and super fun to drive. And guess what? Something amazing has come out of their workshop that might just fix the heaviness problem in electric cars. So let's check out what Caterham is up to with their brand new car, the Project V concept. This is going to be a wild ride. Before we dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any cool car stuff. Let's jump into some electric excitement. At the forefront of this innovative endeavor stands Bob Leslie, the driving force behind the revolutionary project. Bob generously shared with us a deep dive into Caterham's resolute dedication to preserving simplicity, their unwavering commitment to crafting design that prioritizes lightweight engineering, and the cherished driving experience that has made their name synonymous with excitement. Can you wrap your mind around this outstanding fact? Caterham has set its sights on achieving an astonishingly lean weight of just 1,190 kilos for this electrifying creation. It's a feat that catapults this car into the echelons of being one of the lightest electric vehicles available in the market today. This endeavor feels like they're rewriting the playbook, showcasing that lightweight doesn't have to be compromised in the world of EVs. It's almost like they've harnessed the power of innovation to redefine what's possible and deliver an experience that will set pulses racing and hearts pounding. In the realm of design inspiration, Bob Leslie assumed the role of our knowledgeable guide, leading us through a captivating visual tour that unveiled the origins of the creative vision, the iconic Lotus Elan M100. With a passion that was unmistakable, Bob intricately narrated how this vintage gem became the wellspring of ideas for Catterham's latest project. But the story didn't conclude there. With an artistic alliance that sparkled like lightning, Bob's collaboration with the ingenious Anthony Generali transcended conventional boundaries. Together, they embarked on a mission to translate the core essence of Catterham's DNA while venturing boldly into the thrilling new domain of electric power. The pages of history were rewritten as Anthony's ingenuity breathed fresh life into Catterham's philosophy, seamlessly weaving together modern and tradition. This collaborative team was born fruit in the form of a design that not only pays a respectful homage to Catterham's celebrated heritage, but also, in an audacious twist, merges seamlessly with the exhilarating prospects of electric propulsion. The amalgamation, this fusion of timeless tradition and cutting-edge innovation, has crystallized into a design that doesn't merely arrest the eyes, but encapsulates the very soul of Catterham. It's a testament to the prowess, one that weaves together their rich past and the uncharted future, all while preserving the electric excitement that Catterham cars are famed for. Now, it's time to delve into the finer intricacies. Starting with the seats. Bob, our guide on this thrilling exploration, offered a glimpse into their hidden gem. Seats directly sourced from Maserati. These seats, unveiled by Bob like a secret weapon, are not just about comfort. They're an embodiment of sleekness that leaves you astounded. The way these seats fuse comfort and remarkable streamlined profile is nothing short of remarkable. It's as if the design gods themselves waved their wands to create these masterpieces. But the magic doesn't stop there. What's even more intriguing is Catterham's ingenious approach to these seats. Through their remarkable ability to repurpose OEM, original equipment manufacturer, technology, Catterham pulls off the feat that walks the fine line between minimizing weight and maximizing driving ecstasy. It's like they've unlocked a hidden treasure trove of components that not only aligned with their philosophy, but elevate it to new heights. The delicate equilibrium between embracing advanced technology and staying true to Catterham's driving ethos is akin to walking on a tightrope. Yet, Catterham manages it with the grace of a seasoned performer. These seats, sourced from Maserati and thoughtfully incorporated, serves to the testament of the harmonious coexistence of comfort and performance that Catterham aims to deliver. They're a testament to Catterham's ability to not just embrace innovation, but to infuse it with their own brand of automotive poetry. Get ready to secure your racing helmets, because we're about to dive into the battery and performance realm that will leave you utterly astounded. Bob, our trusted source of insights, treated us to a dose of technical wizardry that bound to ignite your curiosity. Brace yourself, because what's coming is truly mind-blowing. Bob, in his signature style, unleashed a treasure trove of knowledge on us. Picture this, a battery boasting a staggering 55 kilowatt hours. Yeah, you heard that right. A colossal reservoir of energy that poised to revolutionize the way we look at electric vehicles. But that's just the beginning. Let's talk power. Bob spilled the beans on the power output, and trust me, it's nothing short of electrifying. Imagine a propulsion system churning at around 260 horsepower. That's like harnessing the force of lightning and infusing it into the heart of this machine. But it doesn't stop there. Caterham, in their pursuit of driving experience that borders on euphoria, has engineered a rear-wheel drive setup that's nothing short of a masterpiece. It's not just about moving from point A to point B, it's about an unfiltered, unadulterated connection between you, the car, and the road. It's like they've taken the very essence of driving pleasure and woven it into the DNA of this setup. So if you're someone who craves pure exhilaration, who yearns for that spine-tingling sensation of power meeting the pavement, then this battery and performance combination is what dreams are made of. Bob's Insight have lifted the curtain on the electrifying symphony that promises to redefine what it means to drive with passion. And now, prepare for the cherry on top, the driving modes that'll take your driving experience to a whole new level. Bob, our conduit of automotive wisdom, unfolded the magic of these modes, and trust me, it's an absolute game changer. Get ready to be dazzled. Bob took us through the trio of driving modes that are like unlocking different dimensions of driving pleasure. First up, we got the trusty normal mode, a balanced setting that's perfect for everyday cruising. It's like slipping into your favorite pair of shoes, comfortable and reliable. But then, things get exciting with the sport mode. Bob spilled the beans on how this mode amps up the thrill factor, dialing up the responsiveness and injecting that extra dash of adrenaline. It's like your car dons a superhero cape and takes you on a wild ride through curves and straights. Now, hold on to your seats because Bob dropped a bombshell, the sprint mode. This new addition is like a secret weapon Caterham has been brewing. Bob passionately explained how the mode is designed for these spirited dashes, those quick sprints that make your heart race. Imagine pressing a button and feeling an instant surge of power, a symphony of acceleration that sets your senses on fire. It's like the car channels its inner track beast, ready to conquer any road it touches. In essence, these driving modes encapsulates Catterham's experience. It's about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about forging a connection with the machine, tailoring it to your mood and the road ahead. With these modes, Bob unveiled a spectrum of driving emotions, from serene to heart-pounding, all neatly packaged in one remarkable car. It's the kind of innovation that brings out the childlike joy of driving, and Bob's Insight have given us a glimpse into the future where every road becomes an adventure. Bob's candid insight about weight and EV were eye-opening. He revealed Catterham's commitment to delivering lightweight, fun-to-drive experiences by repurposing quality parts and optimizing performance. Alright folks, strap in for this. I took this Project V concept for a spin, and let me tell you, it's an electric thrill like no other. 272 PS, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, in a range of 250 miles. That's what Catterham's all about. So there you have it, Catterham's incredible journey from Project V concept to the revolutionary lightweight EV7. This isn't just about electric power, it's about embodying the spirit of driving. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing innovations from the legendary brand. And that's a wrap, folks. We've explored the amazing Catterham Project V concept, a car that's all about being light and fun. Even in the electric world, Catterham is showing us that they're not just keeping up, they're leading the way. But wait, there's more to come. Catterham is cooking up even more awesome things for us. So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends who love cars, and let's keep the excitement going for the future of driving. Thanks for joining us on this amazing ride. Until next time, stay charged and keep enjoying the thrill of driving.